Introducing the 2005 Hyundai Santa Cruz XRT, the bold, new generation of adventure. This stunning truck, finished in phantom black with aggressive 18-inch alloy wheels and dual tow hooks, is designed to conquer both city streets and rugged trails. Its modern LED headlights and roof side rails not only elevate the look, but also bring utility and strength wherever the road takes you. Under the hood, the powerful 2.5-liter Turbo GDI engine, paired with an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, delivers the confidence you need in every condition. Whether it's daily commuting or weekend getaways, the Santa Cruz XRT is built to perform. Step inside and you're welcomed by a sleek black interior packed with technology. The 12.3-inch navigation system, forward collision avoidance assist, and blind spot monitoring work together to give you safety, clarity, and total control on the road. With only 4,640 miles, this one-owner truck is practically brand new, offering reliability backed by the remaining factory warranty. All this capability, style, and technology can be yours today for just $30,995 at Kingstowne Motorcars. Don't wait. This Santa Cruz XRT won't last long. Visit us at www.ktmotorcars.com or call 571-379-7330 for more details and to schedule your test drive today.